Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about the fact that I've got a couple of celebrations. First celebration, we have our first 100 subscribers! And I want to thank each and every single one of you guys because I would never have been able to get here without you. You know, each one of you, I really appreciate all of you, and I love you all, and I thank you. Now let's keep commenting down below because we really want to be able to build a community here at YouTube, especially with Product Creation Formula. Now the reason this 100 subscribers is a big deal to me is because it allows me to be able to literally change my URL, and it makes my channel a little bit more noticeable and a little easier for people to find. And not just that, also it makes it easier for people to be able to check it out themselves. Now, another thing we're going to be celebrating is the fact that I have my very own soft launch for my very first PLR store. Now this PLR store has only just opened up only in the last couple of days. Now, I'll be doing a little bit of a tour of that. Now another thing we're going to be doing today is we're going to be doing a shout out to one of my subscribers. Now the subscriber I'm talking about is a gentleman named Dave from TVR Creators. He's a great guy. He always leaves wonderful comments down below. He gives some really awesome advice, and he's got a fantastic channel who I'll be showing you as well. Now before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know that if you leave comments down below, in 2 weeks time I'm going to be randomly choosing, using a piece of software, randomly choosing one comment out of all the comments that are down below to be able to get lifetime access to my new website, webstarplronline.com. Just to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Guys, I've got to say, you've got to check TVR Creators out. This gentleman named Dave, he's one of my best subscribers. He leaves comments, really awesome comments on my website all the time. Whenever I upload a video, he then promotes it onto his Facebook group. And he really is a great guy. And guys, he deserves your subscription. Now, what I'm going to say is you have a look at what he does. He gives tips and tricks on how to build your YouTube channel. And he's got a really loyal following. He also does live chats as well every Tuesday and Friday. He uploads. He also gives tips and tricks on how to build your channel. Now, guys, give him a shout. The link will be in the description down below. Now, say you come from my site and you're subscribing and you're going to become part of his site, because really he is awesome. Now you can go down and have a look at some of his videos, and he really does have quite a lot of good value. You know, he talks about YouTube quite a bit, and he gives really good solid information on his site. And yeah, guys, check it out. Now, you know, if you're lucky, maybe he'll subscribe to you as well, and he will leave awesome comments on your site. He's a really great guy, and I can't praise him up enough. He really is so good. Okay, so definitely subscribe to his channel. The link will be in the description down below, and you won't regret it, I tell you. So let's move on past this, and we'll head on over to webstarplr.com. Sorry, webstarplronline.com. Don't mix that up. webstarplronline.com. Now let's go check that out. Now, if you're wondering where I got the name Webstar PLR Online from, it's actually a play on my last name, because my last name is Webster. And I thought, Webstar, how good is that? You can become a web star when you grab these PLRs and use them online. So that's where it's come from. So we're going to have a look here. You can have a look down here, and we'll just go through some of these. Now you can choose from 11 niches, and I've got over 200 ebooks from over 11 different niches. Now, as you can go through, you can scroll down and have a look at what we have here, and we just scroll down, and it just continues to go on and on and on. It is very, very good, and And there we have it. So it'll keep going and keep going and keep going, but I'm not going to waste my time going through all of the different PLRs I've got here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to give a look at the various ones we've done here. Now, premium access is currently $137. I'll probably drop this down at a lower price later on when I do the hard launch. But right now, the premium access is $137 lifetime. And this way you're not having to purchase individual products at a set price. Now, if you want to become a franchisee, you can get 25% commission on that if you decide to sell that. I'm looking also making access to affiliate marketing as well. So you can, if you want to, we can have an affiliate site up and running ready for you to go, and you can get 25% commission on this one, which is $827, which is the franchise, and I'll give you 25% commission on that. And you can also get 50% commission for everybody who decides to purchase a book from here or decides to get lifetime access. So let's have a look at this, and we'll go here. Ignore that, I'll be changing that because we don't have 456 people. And this is currently $137. Now, as I said, this will be 50% commission, and the premium, I should say, the becoming a franchise, which is $827, I think it is. Yeah, $827. There's 25% commission on that when you become an affiliate to this site. Not only that, you'll also you can also get that'll basically pay for your premium access if you get that. Now, also too, we have you can leave a review. Now, if you do decide to check it out, please leave a review. It will be wonderful for my site to get the reviews. It'll be excellent for you to give me some sort of, give me a heart, give me some sort of information here to say that you like the site or not. Preferably you would say you liked it. And also you can contact me here on this particular one here. Now, as I said before, I'm going to be giving one person lifetime access to this site if you leave a comment down below. Now, it's got to be an appropriate comment. It can't be spammy or anything like that. I won't accept any spam ones, but just leave a comment down below and tell me what you think of the site, what you think of TVR Creators. And guys, leave us a message down below, and one of you in 2 weeks' time will be getting lifetime access to my new PLR site. Okay guys, if you like this video, please remember to smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.